Hello and welcome back to my channel. No apologies. You do you, boo. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I want to give a strong message to the working mom, the working dad, who are struggling every single day in this society, every single day in this country, the United States, and as far as that goes, around the world. Escalating prices on food, insurance, car payments, mortgages, rents. It can be overwhelming. And then there's kids' soccer, there's the ballet class, there's the gymnastics. You name it, parents are up to here with exhaustion. So parents don't buy fast food for their kids because they're lazy, because they're exhausted. So today I want to dedicate this video to the working moms, the working dads, those who have families who are trying to keep it together and at the same time support a healthy, nutritious lifestyle for their family. After working, commuting, caring for children, cleaning, and handling daily responsibilities, many parents simply do not have the energy to cook an elaborate dinner. I get it. Fast food offers speed. By the time you work all day, pick up the children, answer everyone's questions, finally walk the door, spending $40 or $50 on fast foods, it can feel like the only realistic option. But what if I could build your own drive-through at your home with food you, your family, will actually eat, ready in 10 to 15 minutes, and purchase while it's on sale? What I'm going to show you is how to shop differently by the foods your family will actually eat when their loss leader sells, and I'm going to explain what a loss leader sell is. Portion them, prepare them, what you can prepare ahead of time, and keep 5 or 6 emergency dinners available. When life becomes hectic, you're not starting dinner from nothing. You're simply opening your own drive-through here at home. Before I begin this, I want to say something to those of you who have been with Kevin and I for a long time. I'm not leaving you. And this channel is not suddenly becoming a channel only for young families or working mothers. The lessons we have that we have shared, shopping, loss leaders, preparing food ahead of time, avoiding waste, and making our money stretch, are still exactly what this channel is about. But I also know younger families watching us are exhausted, and they're working, raising children, and trying to keep up with the cost of groceries. Many of them were never taught the household skills that some of us have already learned. So today I want to take that time, teach what we already do together, and show how we can help a tired mother, a father, or working family create their own fast food system at home. So let's get right into what I would buy this week if I was a mother, father, feeding a family of 4, or a single woman or a single father, or a couple. This is what I would buy. If you are not yet into the prepping, you at least get into savings by using the digital coupons. Here's what I would buy this week at the supermarket, and I will get you out the door at $125.99. All right, first thing I would buy would be what they have on sale is called the Red Hot Deal, and that is pork loin ribs for $2.77 a pound. You're going to pick up 2 pounds of ribs. Chicken. Buy one, get one free. Now they have chicken breast fillets, they have the chicken thighs, and they have the chicken tenders. And they are the Anderson Farms. I would get chicken. $4.59 is what it's going to cost you for a pack of chicken. And pick one up free. Next thing I would pick up for $1.99 a pound is the pork shoulder roast. Pick up a 2 pound. It's probably going to be a 3 pound bag. It's already bagged, so you're looking at $6. Now with that pork loin, throw it in a crock pot, cook it, or grind it up and make sausage. I have a video on that. Next thing I would pick up is a pound of peaches. They are on sale this week for $1.99 a pound. Pick up a pound. It's going to get you about 8 to 12 peaches. They have strawberries, 2 for $4. And the 2 for $4 is a pound. So you're going to get 2 pounds of strawberries, or 16 ounces times 2, for $4. Great for lunch bags, great for lunch buckets, great for snacks. Blueberries or the mandarins. They're a 3 pound bag of mandarins for $4, or you can get an 18-ounce bag of blueberries. They're $3.99. You're going to pick up the cheese, Lucerne cheese. The Lucerne cheese is 3 for $5. Mix and match. You can buy it shredded, or you can buy sliced. You get 3 of those for $5. I would also pick up in the aisle where they can give you for $1.99 each. Limit, you can buy only 2, either the Ritz crackers, the toasted chips, your goldfish crackers, or Chips Ahoy. Get those, $1.99 each. You can then go over to the Marie Calendar aisle in the frozen food section and pick up the Marie Callender's bowls, pot pies, which are 10 to 13 ounce size, or a Healthy Choice Cafe steamer. All kinds of variety. You get 5 of those for $10. Limit 2, which means you can get a total of 2 purchases of $20, which means you get 10 meals. $5 for 10. All right. Then if you want, pick up some of your power drinks. They have them on sale for 89 cents each. I did not include that in my list, but it's there available for you. Butter's on sale, $2.99 each. Pick up a couple of butters or one at $2.99. Then pick up your yogurts. They have the Yoplait yogurt at 39 cents each. You can get 10 of those. Or you can get the Tina burritos, 4 ounce. Again, you can get 10 of those. A package of your Oscar Mayer thick cut original or your smoked bacon at $4.99 each. Another video, I'll show you how to cut it in half, stretch it further, and get your money's worth. Now, they also have, so that you know, SNAP program. You can use your SNAP EBT with with all of these purchases. If you order online and pick it up, don't forget to get your free watermelon. Then you also have a 3-day sale, which is on August 7th, 8th, and 9th. And they've got the Italian style meatballs or the Hormel oven-ready bacon at $5.99 each. Great buy to get those meatballs to add with the pasta, add a tomato sauce you have at home. Quick, easy dinner of spaghetti. For your lunches, your kids, or for you, for snacks, they have the Frito-Lay multi-pack, 15 to 18 count for $7.99 on the potato chip snacks. You can also then pick up cereal, $2.99 each. I only put in 1 box this week in your service of grocery shopping, but you can get up to 4. You also can get $5 each on the coupons for your Italian sausage samplers or your pepperonis. You can pick up loaf of bread. You can either get the artisan, which are $2.99 a loaf, limit 4, or you can get your Nature's Own honey wheat butter buns or ding dongs, $2.99 each, or pick up your Wonder Bread at $2.99 each. You also can pick up this week Hormel hot dogs or the Hillshire Farms smoked sausage, 2 for $7. You'll want to make sure you pick those up. You'll want to pick up your assorted pork chops. They're $2.99 a pound. I marinated 2 pounds of pork chops, which are going to give you about 4 pork chops at $2.99 each. So I put that cost in of $6. Pick up those potatoes. Watch my videos. You can see how to prep them. Do all kinds of things. Make fries. You also can then pick up your select little cherry tomatoes. Great for snacks. Great to throw in a lunchbox. 2 for $6. You can pick up your pears, $1.99 a pound. And here's your tortillas. 3 packages for $5. You can get the Mission corn tortillas or the corn chips or mix them together. Pick up your paper towels, which you may need this week, or toilet paper on sale for $11.99. And that's the 12-roll count of Quilted Northern or your 16-ounce rolls of your Angel soft tissue or your paper towels, 6 count. That is $11.99. Pick up your laundry detergent. You can get your Tide for $9.99 this week, or your Downy, or you can get the Gain product if you choose that product at $12.99. I also added that in your list. So you're going to save on your household essentials. You're going to pick up the groceries I suggested, and you're only going to spend $126. You have enough food here to feed 4 for 1 week. Quite amazing, right? Now, take a look at these 2 real quick snacks that I put together for you as well. So they have the tortillas on sale. 3 for $5. You can get 3 packs of tortillas, 30 count. You can get the tortilla chips. You can mix and match. And those tortillas are going to help you in your family daily life, because instead of going through drive-through in the mornings, you can simply make your child a scrambled egg tortilla. Simple to do. We do it all the time. Take yourself a tortilla, put it in the microwave to warm it up for about 30 seconds. Take an egg, scramble it up, put it in your bowl. Take your prepped shredded cheese that you have in your freezer for individual servings. Take some of your cheese, open it up, and sprinkle some of your cheddar cheese in there. And we do this quite often for breakfast, Kevin and I. Put it in there, add your salt and pepper, whatever you want, whip it together. We're going to pop this in the microwave for about 40 seconds. So let me get this in the microwave, come back and show you and warm this up, what we do for breakfast. So the scrambled egg took 30 seconds in the microwave. My tortilla took 30 seconds in the microwave. So now let's get it put together. So what we do is we just put the scrambled egg right here on top of the tortilla, like so. You then, if you want, add more cheese. Also, if we have sour cream on sale, we buy it. We put in a dab of sour cream, just a dollop, a little bit dab will do you. You then put in your salt and pepper. If you like hot sauce, put a little hot sauce on that. And now you have yourself a fantastic scrambled egg tortilla. Miss the drive-thru? Don't spend the money there. That's fantastic. That's a great idea for you. Another thing I want you to do when you buy these tortillas, create a little snack for your children. Same tortillas that you're going to buy that are on sale is make a little pizza for yourself and for your children. Simple to do, your kids can do it. Now how we do it, you're going to take your tortilla. We buy tomato paste. Organic tomato paste. It's $4 for this tube. Put a little bit of tomato paste on your tortilla. Take a fork, knife, whatever, spread it out. That's all you're going to do. Spread out some tomato paste on a tortilla. You're going to make yourself an individual pizza. Now what's great is you can do it simple for yourself, for a child, for lunch. They can take it to school in a lunch bag. Every kid loves cold pizza. And you can make it yourself at home for lunch. Then we buy these little pepperonis. We have them in the house from time to time, not often, but Kevin likes them. So there's a little pizza. You've got your tortillas, the crust. You've got a little tomato paste. You have some pepperoni. Then take the cheese of your choice. What you also can do is add some onion. If you like onion, those pre-packaged onions, no, don't buy them that way. Buy them on sale like we do. Put some onion on there after you have shredded your onions. You froze them for individual use. Now you get to use them. Put a little bit of onion on your tortilla, like so. Then take your cheese that you have pre-prepped in your freezer. Take some out, and it crumbles up easily, even when it's frozen. So you're going to sprinkle some of your cheddar cheese on there, or any cheese that you have that you like. You want it to taste more like a regular pizza, put on some Italian seasoning, just like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pop that in the microwave. 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, you have yourself a wonderful little pepperoni onion cheese pizza. Perfect for a snack, perfect for lunch, or when your kids get home from school, they can make it themselves. Or you can have these pre-made, prepped, frozen in the freezer, which is what we often do. Look at that. Good, good, good. So you have a cheesy, pepperoni, onion, individual pizza for under 75 cents each. Bon appetit. Wonderful. So, I want to encourage mothers, fathers, that there's a simple way. You know what I forgot? Sour cream. A little bit of sour cream on my pizza. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Now that's going to make it pop. Wonderful. Eat like a typical teenager would, right? How wonderful that is. That's how you're going to make yourself a little individual pizza. So, I want to share with you a couple of ideas of why and how you should start saving money at the grocery store by doing coupon shopping. So, thank you for coming along and watching this little video. Come along again. I'll put another video together and really get into some detail in regards to understanding how to shop using those lost leader sales, using digital coupons. You're on your phones anyway, pushing buttons anyway. You might as well push a button that saves you money at the supermarket. So hit the like button, come along for more videos, and take a look at my video library. There's lots of videos up there to teach you how and show you how we prep, how we save, how we shop. And truthfully, we have saved over thousands of dollars a year by using coupon, digital, lost leader, shopping, and prepping and preparedness ideas. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care of yourself. Be kind. Ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.